Ever wondered how those tiny earbuds manage to pump out such powerful sound without any visible wires? We're talking, of course, about true wireless earbuds, and a question I hear a lot is, do they, or specifically, do Lightspeed earbuds need Bluetooth? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Now, before we get into the specifics of Lightspeed, let's talk generally about how true wireless earbuds work. The magic behind their wireless nature lies in a technology we all know, Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a short-range wireless technology that allows devices to communicate with each other. Think of it as a digital handshake, allowing your phone to send audio signals to your earbuds without the need for a physical connection. So, in the vast majority of cases, true wireless earbuds, including many models on the market, absolutely rely on Bluetooth. It's the backbone of their operation. Your phone or other audio source uses Bluetooth to transmit the music, podcasts, or whatever you're listening to directly to the earbuds. This is how they achieve that completely wireless experience. But, and this is a crucial point, is Bluetooth always the only option? Are there any alternatives? And what about Lightspeed? These are the questions we're going to unpack. Let's first consider why Bluetooth has become so dominant in the world of wireless audio. It's widely available, almost ubiquitous in smartphones, laptops, and other devices. It's relatively power efficient, which is crucial for small devices like earbuds that rely on batteries. And, over time, Bluetooth technology has improved significantly in terms of audio quality and latency. Latency, for those who don't know, refers to the delay between the audio source and what you actually hear. Lower latency is essential, especially for things like watching videos or playing games, where a delay can be very noticeable and disruptive. Now, while Bluetooth is the standard, it's not without its limitations. One common complaint is occasional dropouts or interference, especially in crowded environments where many Bluetooth devices are operating. Another potential issue is audio compression. While Bluetooth has made strides in audio quality, it still often involves some level of compression, which can affect the fidelity of the sound, particularly for audiophiles who are very sensitive to these nuances. So, are there alternatives to Bluetooth for wireless audio? The answer is yes, although they are far less common. One example is near-field communication, or NFC. NFC is another short-range wireless technology, but it's primarily used for things like contactless payments and quickly pairing devices. While NFC can be used for audio streaming, it's not generally the preferred method for true wireless earbuds. It's more commonly used for things like quickly pairing your phone to a Bluetooth speaker. Another alternative, though again not typically used for earbuds, is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi, as we know, is a much longer-range wireless technology than Bluetooth. While it's great for connecting to the internet, it's generally not suitable for the real-time audio streaming required by true wireless earbuds due to its higher power consumption and potential latency latency So, where does Lightspeed fit into all of this? Lightspeed is a technology developed by Logitech, and it's specifically designed for low-latency wireless performance, primarily for gaming peripherals like wireless mice and keyboards. It operates in the 2.4 GHz radio frequency band, which is different from Bluetooth. Lightspeed is known for its incredibly fast and reliable connection, minimizing lag and ensuring a smooth and responsive experience, which is crucial for competitive gaming. Now, here's the key. Lightspeed is not Bluetooth. It's a completely separate wireless technology. It's designed to offer a superior performance in specific situations where low latency is paramount. So, the question becomes, do Lightspeed earbuds exist? And if so, do they use Lightspeed technology? This is where things get a little more nuanced. While Logitech uses Lightspeed extensively for its gaming peripherals, it's not as widely used in their audio products, especially earbuds. Many Logitech gaming headsets use Lightspeed, but it's less common in their earbud lineup. Therefore, while it's possible that Logitech might release Lightspeed earbuds in the future, as of right now, most, if not all, true wireless earbuds, even those from Logitech, rely on Bluetooth as their primary wireless connection. It's important to distinguish between Lightspeed as a technology and the general concept of wireless, which can encompass many different technologies. Just because a pair of earbuds is wireless doesn't automatically mean it uses Lightspeed. In the vast majority of cases, it means it uses Bluetooth. So, to summarize, true wireless earbuds in general rely on Bluetooth. Lightspeed is a separate, low-latency wireless technology primarily used for gaming peripherals. While some Logitech gaming headsets use Lightspeed, it's less common in their earbud offerings. Therefore, the answer to the question, do Lightspeed earbuds need Bluetooth, is a bit of a tricky one. If Lightspeed earbuds exist, they wouldn't need Bluetooth, as Lightspeed would be their wireless transmission method. However, the more relevant question is, do Lightspeed earbuds exist? And the answer currently is likely no, or at least not widely available. Most earbuds, even those from Logitech, use Bluetooth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.